5 reasons to visit the Seychelles. The Seychelles are a tropical paradise with breathtaking beaches, crystal blue water, and incredible animals just waiting to be discovered. Here are the top 5 reasons why this sun-kissed paradise should be at the top of your bucket list. Since the time when the Seychelles' 115 granite and coral islands became scattered over a secluded corner of the Indian Ocean, they have remained sanctuaries for some of the rarest species of flora and fauna on Earth. So rare that the Vallée de Mai, which nurtures the legendary coco-de-me, was once thought to be the original site of the biblical Garden of Eden. The islands are also synonymous with stunning natural beauty, the wonderful harmony enjoyed by the multi-ethnic society, and a near-perfect climate, where the temperature is always somewhere between 24 and 33 degrees Celsius, earning the islands a reputation as land of perpetual summer. 1. Abundant nature. Uninhabited by humans throughout most of history, the wildlife on the Seychelles Islands had plenty of time to evolve. Through careful supervision from the Seychelles, the islands remain one of nature's last pristine sanctuaries, making it an exciting destination for naturalists, ornithologists, and eco-tourists alike. Nowhere else on the planet will you find unique specimens such as the jellyfish tree, the coco-de-me, the Seychelles paradise flycatcher, and numerous species and subspecies of birds. The Vallée de Mai, once thought to be the original site of the Garden of Eden, and legendary Aldabra, the world's largest raised coral atoll, are both UNESCO World Heritage Sites. From the smallest frog to the heaviest land tortoise and the only flightless bird of the Indian Ocean, the Seychelles boasts an amazing array of endemic and indigenous species waiting to be discovered along its network of nature trails. 2. Some of the world's best beaches. Blue sky, crystal clear water, and glistening white sands, the beaches in the Seychelles are known for their stunning natural beauty. Across the archipelago's 115 islands, you'll find a beach for every occasion and every mood. In fact, every island has its own signature spots, ranging from the more popular beaches filled with life and bustle to those most secluded spots that are the Seychelles of postcards and glossy magazines. 3. Plenty of activities. If spending hours on the beach isn't for you, you needn't worry. The Seychelles is bursting with activities, both for the adventurous and laid back. Indeed, it's the perfect place to do everything or absolutely nothing. If diving, sailing, or fishing are your thing, then there are options in abundance. Likewise, hikers are well catered for with some excellent, well-marked trails cutting through verdant forests and along untouched coastlines. Then, there's everything from island-hopping trips to ecotourism projects to fill those long sunny days. Of course, if you want a spot to recharge your batteries, there's a wide choice of those too. 4. Exciting food and culture. The Seychelles culture is characterized by the diversity of people who have settled there over the years. In fact, visiting the Seychelles is something akin to entering the home of a large family with roots in all 4 corners of the globe. Here, where harmony is a way of life, visitors will find a vibrant culture that is the product of over 2 centuries of intermingling and exchange, a mix of African, European, and Asian influences that is reflected in the country's music, dance, culture, and architecture, and in its cuisine, warming your palate with spices such as chili, turmeric, and ginger. Seychelles has all this to offer and more, but perhaps its most enduring attraction is the security it offers and its enviable pace of life. Here, cosseted within the island's welcoming sanctuary, there's still time to enjoy the finer things of life and to appreciate the elements of a truly refreshing Creole culture and laid-back island lifestyle. 5. The ideal island hopping destination. Lastly, while many potential visitors might see the Seychelles as somewhere to go, stay, relax, then leave, there's also plenty of potential for exploration outside of your chosen island enclave. Indeed, the chance to hop between islands of the opportunity to see and discover the Seychelles at their diverse best. Perhaps you'll discover Mace mountain landscapes and Victoria's capital bustle before heading off to La Digue for rum shacks and swaying palms. Or, maybe you'll discover Praslin's lush rainforests before swapping over to Silhouette Island, the archipelago's 3rd largest, to discover hidden beaches, shady walking trails, and some of the Indian Ocean's finest snorkeling. Whichever you choose, be sure to wrap things up with a private island stay, the ultimate indulgence.